Are you buying tech for your business? Buy better with a Newegg Business account. Unlock volume discounts, credit lines, professional support. It's free. Sign up now. Apply for Net 30 terms and tax exemption to add that extra financial flexibility. Weekly bulk buy deals, buy more, save more on the IT only available to businesses like yours. For the procurement professionals out there, our E-Procurement Punchout Catalogs can integrate with your platform, saving you time and budget. Can't find what you need? Need some help on what to get? Give us a call. Our dedicated account executives are here to assist with all of your sourcing needs. We have one of the widest product catalogs out there, especially with our extensive seller marketplace. So swing by newegbusiness.com. It's everything you love about Newegg, plus the tools and support to help your business buy better.